So our mission is to bring science and research to service innovation, and engineering and quality, and service innovation is a very broad topic. So it's covering the whole life cycle of innovation management. So innovation management is about idea creation, idea assessment, service design, service modeling, conceptualization, service implementation. Thank you. Service production delivery, service monitoring, controlling. Wonderful. And so our mission is to cover the overall life cycle of innovation, engineering, value creation management for IT-enabled services. And here we look at scientific and research topics, so covering methodologies, tools, standards for service innovation, engineering, quality. And so we are covering different point of views. And let me introduce this by looking at this slide. So services are based on 3 dimensions. It's not our invention, so it's coming from literature. So there is a service process. May also say service as a process. There's a service product. The service product being sold on the market, providing value for a customer. And these are, for example, financial services, healthcare services, transportation services, social services, or retail services. So service products sold on the market. And there is workforce. We heard that the major part of resources are HR-based resources for producing and delivering services. And there is service IT. IT as a crucial resource for innovation in service production delivery. And if you look at the innovation part, so you may take a look from the business side, looking at the processes, to improve processes, to do service process re-engineering, to invent new business models. You may look at the product innovation side, think about new products, technology-driven products, and you may look at IT innovation, looking at new technologies, mobile technologies, cloud computing, and so on. So you may look at service innovation from different perspectives, and these perspectives may be sorted out in 3 columns here. So business-driven service innovation, customer-driven service innovation, and technology-driven service innovation. So some authors also say technology-driven service innovation is technology push, and customer-driven service innovation, business-driven service innovation is market pull or company pull. And here you find a lot of topics and research issues already addressed here in other SIGs. So you find here cloud computing, first bullet point, and technology-driven service innovation, mixed reality, big data, localization technology, sensors. So these things are about IT trends, new opportunities. And looking from the customer side, you have co-creation, service customization, service experience. We also heard about this. Service fascination, customer satisfaction. So it's the customer point of view. And the business point of view, the company point of view, is looking at efficiency, productivity, cutting costs, increasing turnover. So it's a business-related topic with service process re-engineering, new business models, and so on. So different perspectives covering different point of views of service innovation. And of course, service innovation goes hand in hand with engineering and quality assurance. And service engineering is looking at building models and building architectures for socio-technical systems. Socio-technical service systems, looking at service processes and service IT at the same time, trying to find an optimum of business to IT alignment. So that's about service engineering. And looking at service quality is looking at the product, but also at the solutioning process. So we have a front stage, looking at the customer, quality measurement from a client perspective, and we have a solutioning issue, so capacity planning, workload estimation, so solutioning the service production and delivery, and looking at the quality side. Just to mention a few names, so the team is a very large team dealing with innovation, engineering, and quality. Here looking at the panel on Friday, so we've got Babis, Rama, Charlie, Dilmini, Srinivas, Nora on the panel, just to drop a few names. And we also have worked on a white paper and a lot of other things, just looking at the action plan of SIEQ. So we'll have a paper session tomorrow with 6 papers, a paper session on a regular paper session on Thursday with 6 papers, and we've got 21 papers in the research paper session. So in total, 33 papers for service, innovation, engineering, and quality. And again, 1 keynote speaker, 5 panel speakers. So it's a really big SIG. And we have worked on a white paper on service, innovation, engineering, and quality. It's a paper of 50 pages covering the innovation section, engineering section, quality section, and an overall synopsis of what is behind SIEQ. And we've got a research roadmap, and I will present a paper on Friday covering the research issues on this research roadmap, coming back to nuts and bolts, so around 50 or 60 main research questions in this area coming out of a survey, of a study we conducted with a lot of companies and experts in the field. And next steps, Chris already mentioned, we are working on a SRII Europe conference in 2013, next year, and we are looking for joint activities between SIEQ SIG and other SIGs and chapters, so bringing the science and research issues of SIEQ to verticals, so applying these structures and scientific concepts to different SIGs, to different chapters, and to different verticals. So that's it. Thank you for your attention. And here, some authors of the white paper. Again, Babis, Rama, Arjun, Zhu, Charlie, and Joachim. So just to drop a few names, and I apologize for not naming all of them. Don't beat me, I won't survive it. So thank you.